Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and welcome back to another pointless video where I show you guys today how Resident Evil 5 runs on the YUZU emulator. Today running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. I'm running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM and dual channel memory because you really need a lot of RAM to run YUZU games, apparently.
Chris
And here we are,
coming in.
just jumping into the game right off the bat. Now I know what you're saying, but Javon, how come you're doing Resident Evil 5? It's on PC. Well, my channel is I post everything,
Yes, we read you.
and I mean everything on my channel. So if it's on an emulator, I will show you just to show you the progress of the emulator. It's not about Resident Evil 5, it's simply to show you the progress of what YUZU is capable of doing, and what glitches may be. What are you looking at, bro? What are you looking at? What you looking at? Back off. What glitch issues maybe they have with the certain areas of the game. Damn, what is this kicking up like that? So this is the first time I'm booting in, and already you can see there's a lighting issue with Resident Evil 5. Resident Evil 6 ran fine, but to be fair, it was at night, so it could be different. Dude, if I walk around here, so everyone looking at me like this, I know I'm American, but just looking at everyone looking at me like this don't look right, bro. I watch too many horror movies. I'm dipping. I'm like, Chris, I think I'll just take a step back. It's interesting the frame rate because the shaders aren't actually affecting the game. Like there's no stutter. Like there was a bit there because look at how many shaders it built up. Over 100. But it is loading in pretty fast, I must say. Which I am all for. Completely all for when it runs like this. We're using over 8 gigs of RAM. That's ridiculous. That's such a ridiculous amount of RAM. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. You guys know I enjoy posting these videos for you guys, emulation-wise and low-end PC gaming. It's all the same to me, man. I show you how to run games on YUZU, RBCS3, Xenia, or Intel HD graphics. And the latest games as well I bring to you like almost immediately after they're released. I'll show you how they perform. I'll even hit you with some config files on how to, you know, get it running a bit better. It ain't gonna look better, but it gonna run better.
You should do what you came here to do.
Listen, I don't really get I really like Resident Evil 5. I thought it was fine. I thought Resident Evil 4 was fine as well. I didn't think it was that big. I like Resident Evil 6 as well. 7 is a bit much for me. It changed a bit too much. I think I liked Village a lot better.
Grab your weapons.
If I had to say what's my favorite Resident Evil game, I have no idea. Can't tell you. Couldn't tell you, man. You gonna put on your? Chris? You gonna put that on, or Chris? You gonna put that on, or no? That's cool. We'll take your time. Okay, he just puts it on by himself. Okay, fair enough. Am I not supposed to take up my? No, it's cool then.
Destination coordinate.
Let's move on with our lives. Now let's see if I remember how to play this. And yes, I did beat this game on my channel. So if you guys want to see me sit down and play Resident Evil 5 for a bit and beat the game, I also have that Let's Play on my channel as well.
Remember, we're a team.
I beat Resident Evil 4, 5, and 6 on my channel.
Don't worry. I may not be as big as you, but I can still hold
I
my
did
own.
always like the controls better for Resident Evil 6. The whole standing and shooting thing didn't work out for me. Oh, I quick turn. Just trying to get the controls down, guys. Trying to get the controls down for this little short video I'm about to do and never touch the game again. Interesting. Interesting dilemma you're in here, Javon. Interesting. I'm sorry. Sometimes the YUZU it catches me off guard. I play with Xbox controls in my face for so long. Sometimes the YUZU one just really gets to me, man. It's like, which button is that? But nonetheless, once again, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Now, there's not much for me to talk about here, so I'm just gonna mute myself and enjoy the rest of the gameplay. The game looks great too. Just the lighting issue was the thing, but the game looks fine. It looks completely fine. Other than that, I'll see you guys again.
Freeze!
What the hell just happened?
They didn't move like any zombies I've ever seen.
We should keep moving. They'll find us. We need to get out of here. We need to get to that house. We'll have a better chance of finding them.
Come in, Kirk. The locals were hostile and we had to use force. We don't have any contingency plans for this situation, do we, Kirk?
Roger on the locals, but your orders still stand.
What does that mean? Was HQ expecting this?